You've been there, you know, that perfect moment, that perfect light and perfect composition, and the shot is just soft enough or just noisy enough that you're not going to use the image. Now, today I'm going to show you a tool that handles exactly that. And no, it's not just another basic Denoise software like all the other ones out there. This one here has a few tricks up its sleeve. And by the end of this video, well, you'll know whether this belongs in your workflow. This video is sponsored by Aiarty, but I'm going to show you real shots, real results, and as always, I'm going to give you my real, true, honest opinions. If you're a photographer, especially with Micro Four Thirds like me, well, you know the struggle of low light shooting. With Micro Four Thirds, you get a smaller sensor. You get that incredible reach, but you're often pushing that ISO and you're fighting the noise. Now, if you're shooting wildlife at dawn or dusk, well, you're dealing with both the noise and motion blur at the same time. And for years, the answer was, well, shoot with more light, upgrade your gear, or just accept the noise. But AI enhancement tools have gotten genuinely good. Good enough that I think it's worth your time to see what actually is possible now. Aiarty's Image Enhancer is one of the more complete tools that I've come across. It's not just a denoiser. Now, it does handle the denoise, the sharpening, texture recovery, upscaling, and face restoration that many other software has, but it has also object removal and color correction, and all of that in one place. So it's sort of a one-stop shop. Now with denoising, this is where the software earns its place, especially for wildlife shooters like me. High ISO noise and soft images are both recovered together without looking overly processed. What you're seeing on the right isn't over-sharpened. The software is really reconstructing the detail in a very accurate and credible way. I've used a fair amount of these software and a lot of them give you images that just look fake and AI generated. For wildlife photographers and Micro Four Thirds shooters like me, this is the one that matters most. We want to bring our audience in nature with us and not have them question the authenticity of our work. I mean, AI generated images are getting out of control lately on social media, so keeping your images authentic and real looking is really what's going to set you apart from the rest. Now, texture recovery goes beyond just sharpening. Look at these feathers here, the structure here, individual lines that are visible, and it's not just the outlines. Same goes with the fur and foliage, anything with fine detail. This is where the Aiarty's Image Enhancer is really doing really nice work, not just running a clarity slider. Now we all know it, wildlife photographers, well, we tend to crop hard. You know, you have the light, you have the moment, but the subject is really small in your frame. We've all been there. With Aiarty's Image Enhancer, well, you can upscale up to 32K, so that crop that you thought was too aggressive, well, it might actually just hold up for print or a large display. I'm actually working on a video after this one here on how I print large format images, and this software is actually one of the most crucial to the printing process for me. Okay, this one is super cool, and I'm so happy it's included in the software. Object removal. It's not always necessary, but when you do need it, for example, a branch that is breaking that negative space for your image, or just any kind of unwanted object, well, it works very well, and especially on simple backgrounds like a sky. Color correction is also included in the software, which is quite nice. I basically don't have much use now for other editing software, as I can now do most of my work just here in Aiarty's Image Enhancer. You've got many sliders here to work on the basic light and color edits, and it works quite well. I don't know if this has ever happened to you or not, but sometimes I'll edit an image in my editing software, then I'll send it to another application for denoise, and I realize that the light or the color is slightly off. Well, now I don't need to go back to the other application, re-download it, put it back into the software. I can just all do it in Aiarty. It just makes the process so much nicer and easier. This software also works super well for some very old photos that you're trying to restore. Look at this very old family photo that I got. Now here's my honest take. If you're shooting Micro Four Thirds or any other system with challenging light, and you've got some shots that you've written off because the noise or the softness was just too much to handle, well, Aiarty's Image Enhancer is really worth giving a try. Now, it's not going to replace your technique or your gear itself, but it genuinely does recover shots that I would have deleted. And for wildlife photographers, where you can't control the light and you can't ask the bird to hold still for that matter, well, this works perfectly. There is a free trial for this software, and I'll link that down in the description. It's an affiliate link, so it supports the channel if you do use it, and really at no extra cost to you. If this was useful, please subscribe. I've got much more gear and workflow content coming, and also some POV wildlife photography. Thank you for sticking around, and I'll see you again soon. Take care.